Krishna Geeta, Namita. For some, then if the members have this. Jisu Matthew, son of Dr. Mariama, Ashik Roy and Deepak Roy. Nivedita has left. Anyone from Golden can come. Mithun and Neeraja, children of.
Side നിൽക്കുക.
Amrita for dance from Kottayam.
അങ്ങോട്ട് ചെരിഞ്ഞ് നിൽക്കുക.
Jayalakshmi collect the gifts. Karthi Vishwanath, daughter of Dr. Ambali from Idiki. Husband of Dr. A.T. Sukumari for the song. Anita Calicut. Gauri Mahalakshmi, daughter of Dr. Meena. Anyone from Kottayam can collect the gift. Dr. Ajita Kumari can collect the prize, please. Chandani Marik teacher, daughter of Dr. Mr. Shiruchi Babu. And Sachin, Ravini, son of Dr. Sukumar. Madhavika and Devi. Arvind Shivin, son of Dr. Vijay Kumar. Gauri, daughter of Dr. Usha, Kottayam. Neha Anshusharan, daughter of Dr. Charianaman. Dance and the song. Karthi Vishwanath, Dr. Shajiman Peter. Award of today's function, it goes to Thrissur district. Please give a loud applause. They have travelled a long distance to be a part of this program with all their strength. I request Secretary Dr. Geeta to collect the award for Thrissur district. Congratulations again.
Side in the video.
Guest Ms. Shruti Bala. The memento will be handed over by Dr. B. Sudarshanan. He is our state treasurer, KG Chimoy. Dr. Sudarshanan.
Committee wishes to hand over mementos as honor of this program. First of all, Dr. Mary.
സൈഡ്
Dr. Veeda. On behalf of Dr. Veeda,